I have some thoughts with this lineup because Bigetron by Vitality just released their roster para sa MPL Indonesia Season 16. You know what time it is? Hands in. Number 1. Will Nile finally get his opportunity? Kasi nung time na nilaloan siya ng Onyx, tas binabalik din siya ng Onyx, kumbaga nagpapakita naman siya ng signs of brilliance. Nangyayari yun most especially during his time with Geek Fam nung kasama niya pa sina Baloyski, kung saan he was able to make it to the finals together with his team, Geek Fam. And I believe yun yung kauna-unahang beses na nakarating sila ng Grand Finals after Geek Fam ID always being at the bottom of the barrel. So, ang tanong ay marireplicate niya ba yun? Gaano ba siya ka-inform for this season? And he's gonna be going up against Kyrie. The main reason why he's at the bench. Kasi mahirap nga naman palitan si Kyrie. Number 2. Nasaan si Luke? Where is Luke? That is my question for the day. He's spent at least like what, a season or 2 here. Pero kung maaalala ko, parang a season lang yata. Did this mean that he took a break? Or we're gonna be expecting like a bye-bye Luke from Bigetron by Vitality sooner enough? And last but not the least, paano mag-fare yung dalawa nilang bagong hatak in terms of making something happen for their team? So obviously, dahil wala na si Coach Eto Max, there's gonna be a new coach stepping in. Pangalawa, since Sorizo is also out, there's gonna be Shogun stepping in. So maraming dynamics na bago para sa Bigetron by Vitality. And they have a few more weeks to be able to tweak it out para mas lalo sila maging handa for Season 16.